Over $2,000 for this Bicentennial Quarter that sold on eBay not too long ago. Now, if you find one of these coins, the biggest thing that you need to be careful of is to make sure that the condition of the coin does not get any lower than it already is. Condition is incredibly important when it comes to the value of your coin. You can see this specific quarter right here is not in the best condition. However, it did sell on eBay for over $2,000. Now, these Bicentennial Quarters were hoarded by plenty of people around the United States when they were first released because they were unheard of. There was nothing like this ever produced before, and people thought that one day they might be worth a ton of money. Now, that is the case for specific examples of coins, but not always. Most people that have Bicentennial Quarters will not have a coin worth a lot of money, unfortunately, but you do not want to be that person who ends up getting scammed or ripped off for a coin worth a lot of money. Now, this person right here, again, sold the coin for over $2,000 because they said that the mint mark has a filled D on it. So if you look at the mint mark at the bottom right hand side of the coin, you will see that D mint mark there. And to this person, it looks like it's filled in. Now here's the reality. There are some imperfections that could occur during the minting process that cause this. Just because there's a small deviation from the standard procedure like this does not mean it's going to be worth a lot of money. Now here's the reality on this specific coin. Hopefully nobody paid over $2,000 for this coin and it's a fake listing. You have to be incredibly careful when it comes to buying and selling coins on eBay because you don't want to get taken for your money. Now, in the past, I've sold plenty of things and bought even more on eBay, so I know exactly what to do when it comes to buying and selling on eBay. Now, I have a mastermind class coming soon that goes over all things coins and paper money, how to buy and sell on eBay. It's focused exclusively for beginners wanting to learn how to research the values of their coins and paper money. It's coming soon, so click on the link down below to join the waitlist and I'll see you inside.